Welcome to the dormakaba 360-degree city, a virtual space in which you can experience and explore our products interactively. Launching the app takes you straight to the 360-degree city start page. Just for starters, you can change the app language here as you like. Simply download the media package you need once you have selected the language. And that's not all. You can even switch from one country setting to the next in order to access products only available in a certain country. You can explore and discover the wide-ranging dormakaba portfolio in the 360-degree city by selecting specific products from different sectors. Let's take a closer look at the industry sector, for instance. Just click the white plus symbol or zoom into the building. Now we're inside an industrial building that is equipped with a lot of our products. We can take a closer look at the digital cylinder, for example. Take the RFID badge and hold it in front of the digital cylinder to launch the animation. You can try out all the other products the same way as you did just now. Simply click on the X at the top right-hand corner of the screen to access the industrial building start page. Click the X again to quit the industrial building. Not only can you discover our products, you can also examine them in detail. To do so, we have to switch to the product browser. It provides you with an overview of all products in the 360-degree city app. Let's take a look at the Argus 80 sensor gate. The Info mode lets you see all the key details of a product at a glance. The second mode, the Explore mode, lets you look at products in greater detail. Various configuration options are offered depending on the product you select. On the Argus 80 sensor gate, for instance, you can change the colors. You can also dismantle the product and take a closer look at its modular design and parts. The third mode gives you access to fact sheets on the relevant product. They provide in-depth details and technical information in summarized form. There is also a video mode. Click the preview image to open full view mode. You can stop the video anytime you like by clicking on the X. Last but not least, in the fifth mode, you can also view application and product shots. They show you additional configurations or implementation options. You can, of course, jump back to the 360-degree city view and operate the installed system as you would do in real life. So that was a short tour of dormakaba's interactive 3D world. The app is available as a free download in the Apple or Google Play Store. Alternatively, you can use the free Windows version on our website. Eager to try it out for yourself? Simply download the app and take a virtual tour of our 360-degree city. As you see, it couldn't be easier. Have fun on your virtual adventure.